Have you ever wondered how robots come to life? Or how lights turn on with just a click? Today, we're starting a magical adventure with Arduino, a tiny computer that fits in your hand and lets you create amazing things. Imagine a box full of cool parts, buttons, wires, and flashing lights. Arduino is your playground to explore them all. Whether you're just starting or already love gadgets, Arduino makes learning about electronics easy and fun. First, let's unpack the basics. Arduino is like a friendly helper, ready to listen to you. You can plug it into your computer with a USB cable, and, just like magic, it wakes up, waiting for your instructions. With a special program called Arduino IDE, you write simple commands to tell Arduino what to do. Don't worry, it's a lot like writing notes, but for machines. Now, let's build a simple electronic circuit. Think of a circuit as a road for electricity. Dot the road with parts, resistors, lights, and motors. Electronics are everywhere, inside your phone and game console. Today, we'll meet some of these parts, starting with the LED, a tiny light ready to glow. Let's try our first project, making an LED blink. All you need is an Arduino board, a breadboard, and an LED. Plug them together, and then write a few lines of code. There are two special magic words you'll use: setup and loop. Setup tells Arduino which parts to use. Loop repeats your instructions, so the light blinks over and over. When you run the program, your LED will flash like a firefly. Isn't it amazing how a tiny chip can make light dance? With Arduino, anything you imagine can come to life. So keep exploring, keep creating, and soon you'll turn ideas into real, working wonders. The world of electronics is yours to discover.